Colton, what are you talking about? Gee. Can you say gee? I said gee. Gee. So see my mohawk? I think I'm pretty cool. Yeah. Gonna say hi? Get all quiet now. See, I'm kicking my leg. If you can see me. Kick, kick, kick. Can you talk? Say ah. And get quiet the minute the camera comes out. You're just talking to me. You're just talking to me. You're gonna say hi? Say ah. Getting yourself naked. You're getting yourself naked. Say ah. Ah. I get you. I get you. I get you, get you, get you, get you. Get you right here. Ha 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 ha. Say ah. None of that. None of that. No crybabies. Only happy babies in this house. Yeah. Tell Papa, say, hurry up, I want to go fishing. Tell Papa you can't wait to go fishing. I know. Say, see, Papa is too far away. You need to hurry home. Yeah. Say, too far away. Too far away. Oh. You miss Nana's kisses? Is that what that is? You miss Nana's kisses? Yeah. What about Daddy? Daddy's not home. Daddy went to work. Daddy, where are you at? So we're having a fun day. Just us. Yeah, see, the monsters are at school. It's just us. I found my thumb. And 2 fingers. And anything else I can fit in my mouth. Yeah. Anything else I can fit in my mouth. You say, I love you. Say, love you. Say, I love you. Bye-bye.